Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee, aka The Messy Perfectionist. On this channel I share all of my artsy crafty adventures. It is a place for learning, and a lot of it we're taking this journey together. Recently I fell in love with adult coloring in the world of that, and it is just so much more expansive than I had ever thought imaginable. If you watched my last video, I did a book reveal for Worlds of Wonder where we flipped through the book together for the very first time. And I promised you guys that I would reserve each of these new books that I got from my husband recently together. So we did Worlds of Wonder. Today we are going to do Tales from the Witch's Cottage by Hanna Karlzon. And in a following video, I will then do the Ink House. And again, I am waiting to do all of these with you guys together. I have not flipped through these pages. All I have ever seen of these books is just images that I could find online, which piqued my interest, or what was on Amazon. And if you guys noticed on Amazon, for a lot of these books, they don't show you the images within the pages. So you're just kind of going off of what other people supply. So I do hope that this helps someone else out there, maybe considering purchasing one of these books. That is why I'm kind of doing this. But anyway, let's get started. First impression, excellent quality as always. It's I like that they're hardcover books. They will be preserved for a long period. This one is smaller than Daydreams. You can kind of see the difference. Here's the size of Daydreams. So if you guys have that one versus this. Looks like the same quality cover. Let me see, the pages feel the same. Yeah, I would say so. So if you guys have Daydreams, it's the same quality. I love this little bottle. I love that so many of these books have these "This Book Belongs To" pages that just, yeah, you could have so much fun with. So let's see. This is a fairly new book, it looks like, by Hanna Karlzon. It says first published by, I cannot pronounce that at all, in 2021. So it's not that old. It's one of her newer ones. And here we go. Let's take a look at this together. Pretty. Oh, look at him. So this rabbit has like little fairy wings. Oh, I do like this little house. I'm not sure what these are, but they just remind me, are they ghosties? They look like maybe little Halloween ghosts. I'm not sure. They look like little ghosties to me. Let me know if you think there's something else, though. Very cute. The flower, I can almost do like a mirror with this. Kind of like a mirrored background would be neat. Lots of kitty cats, it looks like. Oh, these kitty cats have some sort of like wings too. I like that you could do some really, a really neat background. I just see a really pretty night sky on this double page. Cute. Little kitchen witch. Ooh, look at that. And there's like little crystals in these mushrooms. Neat. This is going to be a fun book to color for me, since I love like autumn and Halloween and October, and this just has all those vibes. Oh, harvest. Yeah, I love it. Little bats. Cute. These could be beautiful jeweled beetles. I am not good at doing jewels yet. I have been practicing how to color jewels. I want to get really better, I want to get better at it before I go into my books with that. Oh, I like this too. What is this? It's like a snake of some sorts. Oh, I love this one. Look at this shelf. Look at these shelves with all these little spell bottles and trinkets. Oh, that's great. Little portrait here. These little fruits have little crystals in them. These little goldfish, but they have like, what is this? Like the anglerfish almost. Much cuter than an angler. These are interesting. What is this? It's like, he looks scary uncolored. I want to color him not scary. I want to make him cute, but he's got like this little wizard hat on top of him. Ooh, here's little Witchy doing her little spells. Putting her little healing potions together, perhaps. Oh, little kitty cat, little mice on this page. Oh, this wand in the background could be a lot of fun to do. Another person. Oh, look at that in the hair. Not sure. What do you think this is? Water? Fire? Not sure. How would you guys do that? I do like the cottage feels. I know I've said this before, but I do love foresty and leaves and things like that. Love this. Teapot, some crystals. Cute. Young witchy girl with her broom. This one's pretty too. Look at the background. Is this a book? Oh, I think this might be a book. Like the cover of a book. Maybe her spell book. It's interesting. Oh, I like the lantern. Oh, look at the little, what are these called? They're like little fire guys. Cute. I feel like when I get these books, I always, like at first glance, they look like something. And then when you look a little bit more, you see all these other details that you didn't notice the first time. Like when I just looked at this image, I just saw flowers. I didn't see like there's like these crystals here and there's bees. Little flying cat. This gives me Alice in Wonderland vibes. I know the Cheshire Cat didn't have wings, but that's what it makes me think of. Like this. Little files. And I see this as like a mechanical beetle, like another steampunk type image. Maybe I'll do that like that. And then even have like distressed background and maybe even make the flowers kind of metallic looking. Do it all like in a antiqued or bronze. This is pretty. I do like the candles. Candelabras, the wax. This is pretty. It's like a photograph. Oh, very cute. This cat, look how big he is. Talk about Alice in Wonderland vibes. That would be fun to do that, inspired by. See her in like that blue dress. Doing like purple, maybe some neons, and do a dark background. Ooh, look at this with the little dragons coming out of the fire, the wood stove. Little cabinet, some more bottles. Oh, this is such a pretty book. It has such a different feel from Daydreams, and I love that. I love that so much. Oh, I love her. I cannot wait to color her in. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's like ghosties. I love all the bottles. Those are going to be so fun to color. Oh, and does this not just have all the autumn vibes with the pumpkins? Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing some of my favorites in here. Yes, I adore it. It's like, what are these called? It's not an eagle. Is it a griffin? Is that a griffin? Now, does anybody know, is this cat something more than just a cat? Because he has wings in all of them. And oh my gosh, look at this. We've got the spell book, the ink, little mushrooms and crystals and keys, and then this bottle and this dragon coming out of this mist. Oh, that will be so fun to do. Very pretty. Yeah, I think I like it. And again, this is all a surprise to me too, because I really didn't see much of this book. If anything, I don't remember any of these images as I'm flipping through. So this is pure surprise. I like this with the little sun and the moon. Oh, look at that. Stirring her cauldron. Keys. This makes me think of Harry Potter. What were the flying keys called? You guys know. You guys know what I'm talking about. I like this one too. Hanging planters. It's like a bat cat. Those are pretty. Little treasure chest. All these little things. Well, he's interesting. It's like the three-eyed raven. That reminds me of something else too. Was it Game of Thrones? The three-eyed raven? And I love this. I love them. Yeah, sitting on the moon. That's adorable. This would be fun to do in like a vintage color, right? You could do however you want, obviously, but like the vintage kind of like pastels, maybe. Very cute. Here is the last page, another little spell bottle. So I like it. I'm not sure which one I like more, if I like this one more or Daydreams. I guess I don't have to have a favorite, but yeah, I think this is going to be a lot of fun to do. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, share, all that kind of stuff. I am a new channel and I would love to be able to grow and create more content for everyone and go on this little learning experience and journey with you. It's just so fun to share art, and I love that I have discovered, or I should say rediscovered, coloring again in this way. It's so different than coloring children's coloring books, and yeah, it's just a great way to have kind of that time for yourself, even if it's just for a few moments. But with that said, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will be talking to you guys later. Bye.